Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is a quick refresher video for chord inversions in the key of G. If you'd like a more detailed tutorial, please click on the link in the description below. But if you just need a quick refresher, this is the video for you. So to review, we get our notes for a major chord from the first 5 notes of the scale. So in the key of G, Do, Mi, and So, G, B, and D are our chord tones for a G major chord. And when we play it like this, this is called root position. For the right hand, you'd use fingers 1, 3, and 5 if you were going to take a test on fingering for chord inversions. But there's lots of different ways you could play this chord, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, whatever. But the notes are G, B, and D. So now there's 2 other positions we can play this chord. We're going to move this G to the top, and we will have B, D, and G. This is called first inversion when it's Mi, So, Do on top. There's the interval of a third on the bottom, interval of the fourth on the top, and fingering for this 1, 2, 5. First inversion. Now we can put this B on the top. So now we have So, Do, Mi, D, G, B. This is called second inversion. So the larger interval is on the bottom and the smaller interval is on the top. Fingering for this, again, if you're going to take a test on it, 1, 3, 5. And then if we put this D on top, we have Do, Mi, So, G, B, D once again. And that is a quick review of chord inversions. So left hand would be the same notes. Fingering would be 5, 3, 1 for root position, 5, 3, 1 first inversion, and 5, 2, 1 second inversion, back to root. So thank you for watching this short video on reviewing chord inversions in the key of G major. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also videos on quick piano tips and piano literature. Thanks again for watching.